So today we want to classify this plant and some others back there. Probably classify my cat too. She's already introducing herself. Let's hop right into it. So iNaturalist gotta be one of the coolest websites in the internet. People come here to post their observations of any kind, being plants, animals, fungi, whatever. Other people try to classify them into the known species or unknown one. 270,000 observations of this specific species. If you open it up, you see that you have also some data regarding taxonomy. You also have seasonality. This is nothing that we will concern ourselves with today, because today we're using their vision model. Simply put, we want to send an image to iNaturalist. I took this just now. And we're gonna use Python for that. So specifically, we wanna send it to their vision endpoint, which is just an address in the internet we can use. From this address, we get back some data, which we're compiling into a specific format, because I'm using Obsidian. So this is my mental exoskeleton, basically, my second brain. This is where you can like connect nodes non-linearly, because this makes way more sense. This is also like how people think. It looks also like a neuronal net. So yeah, this is arguably just a better way of connecting data and making sense of it. The main thing you gotta concern yourself is curling a post method to this endpoint here. This endpoint is actually something that is not that known. Also within the iNaturalist community, I guess they don't want to propagate it too much because of limited resources. You also have to send an API token with you. You can just snag it out of Chrome when you're logged in. Or I'll paste the link in the description. You just press on it and it shows you the token you need. And you're also sending the file with it. So zooming out a bit, the result you get back looks something like this, with the highest score for the most likely species. You'll also get their ancestry ideas, the taxonomy data back. The rest of the script is mostly just formatting it. I forgot the taxonomy data. Can you please also add the ancestry IDs to the export of the markdown file? Until here, exactly. Fingers crossed, compiled. So is the data, yeah, we got the ancestry IDs now too. So you see how fucking easy ChatGPT vibe coding is. Please just try it out. So coming back to Obsidian, we now have the Columna vulgaris classified with image, also linked to the mother node iNaturalist. Now I also want to fill up the graph with this potted plant, and I want to try to also classify those Lego plants. A beautiful girl made me a present with those. Love you. So I took 2 more pictures now. Let's run it. Sending it to API. The Geldbaum. Interesting. Let's just check the other one too. Top prediction, African spear. Let's check those on iNaturalist. Aha. So it actually recognized a type plant that's kind of close to that. Let's check the other one. What is you? Yeah, it looks kind of similar. Actually, it was called succulenta when I bought it, so Crusula ovata. This might be an error though. Let's compare those for a second. Kind of close though. Let's search for the succulenta first. So quickly consulting ChatGPT told me that all succulenta plants are just water storing plants. And our Crasula ovata that was recognized is a water storing plant. So it's like an inheritance here. And the succulenta isn't the taxon here because I'll also check this. And yeah, it's just a Crasula plant. Yeah, the more you know about plants, right? This is such a big topic. Looking forward to it. Categorizing the last image of my beautiful, beautiful cat Shakira. We also got the Felis catus, which is correct. the Hauskatze in German. This fills up our 3 to 4 observations taken in private. I will probably optimize the scripts to also instantly post them as observations to be part of this amazing community. On Vercel there was this portfolio template, and I just use it as a wrapper for my Obsidian project. So now this is visible also in the internet. I will also implement some sort of graph logic here, so we can also see like the graph version here. We could also like connect our observations, specification and categorizations to build like, first of all, my own tier decks, animal decks, Pokédex like thingy. We could like expand this at some point to like a decentralized social network, which is just like another wrapper for iNaturalist, don't get me wrong, but it should be gamified. My cat is kind of asleep and pissed off because I woke her up. So if you think my cat is cute, you can leave a like or subscribe. I'll do random coding things, psychology things, and biology things in the future. Bye bye.